draft inducer is yeah, it's froze. That's part of your problem. I can't get the kick on. Yeah, these new draft inducers. Yeah, the draft inducer won't spin. It's fried. Try it again, see. Yeah, see, I see they try to turn, it won't turn. It's froze. That is clearly, I see it's trying. See where it's trying to move. I'm just trying to see if I can make it go a little bit. Just long enough for me to test the whole rest of the system. It doesn't look like it's gonna even want to turn at all. Just trying to coax it just long enough to get the system running so I can see the rest of it. I get the heat to go. I can get this just to go long enough. Nah, it looks like it's not gonna go. Trying, but it's not going to get the right pressure on it. I have to open this switch up. Yeah, see how it's just kind of going along barely. That thing's fried. Let's try. It's not going to be enough to get it to do the rest of the cycle though. It's going to need a new one. There's no doubt about that. Alright, well we know that's for sure. I don't know about the rest. I can't test the rest really till I get that fixed. So we'll just stop right there. And we're going to have to come back. Have to get that part. Turn it off. Let's get this part number and we'll order that tomorrow. Alright, so that pulled the old draft inducer out. As you can see, it's pretty worn out. This is the new one. As you can see, it went through the cycle and it had heat. Everything's working perfectly thus far. How does the blower feel? You already felt the air coming out, the heat out, coming out the vent? Yeah, you should, let me know how that feels. It sounds like it's running pretty good, so. Oh, you got a vent right there you can feel? Check upstairs too, see how it feels, look.